we've got Swaney down there with Boris, I think.
We have.
Is he there? Swaney?
Yes, we have.
What's going on?
Yes, I'm here. Hello, good morning, Piers.
There he is. What's going on?
There is a look, Piers, there is a look of panic on people's faces. Let's hear what the Prime Minister has to say now. I'm going to keep quiet for a moment. Let's see what he has to say. There's a bit of panic going on here this morning. Mr Johnson, while you have 5 minutes, you're live on Good Morning. Could you talk to Piers and Susanna for me?
I'll be with you in a second.
Yeah, I have an earpiece here in my hand. Right, he's been taken inside, into the freezer.
He's gone into the fridge.
There's a bunker.
Wow. Didn't like that, did they? Protect him at all costs from the villainous Good Morning Britain, the place he promised to come on. Anyway, we'll keep on his case. Great work from Jonathan Swain there.